If you're a small business owner, you're likely struggling to compete against AI-driven giants. But don't worry, you're not alone. Studies show that 60% of small businesses feel overwhelmed by rapid technological advancement. But here's the thing. You can actually use these same algorithms the big guys are using to win back customers without any coding or even a billion-dollar budget. In fact, I've helped numerous growing businesses copy the big brand's playbook and leverage tech like AI to grow their own business, sometimes by as much as 10x. In this video, I will share 4 AI marketing strategies that big brands are using right now to influence what people buy. By the end, you'll know how to use these same strategies to ethically turn AI from a business threat into a trusted sales partner. Don't ignore them, or you'll keep losing customers to competitors who are already ahead. Now let's break down how a regular person's experience is today with AI nudging them in the background. Meet Sarah, a busy mom who runs an online craft store. One day, she searched for toddler shoes on Google for her youngest. By lunch, her Instagram was flooded with ads for exactly the pink sneakers she'd been eyeing, thanks to Meta's cross-platform targeting system. By bedtime, YouTube's AI autoplayed a mom influencer raving about them, while Amazon's recommendation engine showed her matching socks. Sarah gave in and bought them. That's when she realized it's AI stalking her across 12 plus apps. This tactic is called personalized targeting. Here's how it works. AI tracks every click, hover, and scroll to predict your next buy, just like how Netflix predicts your next binge watch. A week later, Sarah is planning a much-needed vacation to Bali. On Delta's website, the first flight quote is $800. She hesitated thinking about her business. 2 hours later, the price jumped to $1,200. That's just like how Uber's surge pricing catches you when you're desperate. Panicked, she booked instantly, unaware that Delta's AI hiked the price because she checked the page 3 times. This is dynamic pricing plus urgency in the works. Here, AI tracks your behavior and adjusts prices based on your desperation. If you refresh the page, that's a $50 fee. Hotels.com and Expedia are notorious for this. After returning from Bali, Sarah Googled vegan protein powder to get in shape. For weeks, her phone gets bombarded with ads from Wayfair and Booking.com, even during her morning business podcasts. She finally buys a tub from GNC, then saw the same ads for months after across Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. AI doesn't forget. What she's experiencing is predictive retargeting. Here, AI stalks you like a jilted ex using your cookies and device IDs. If you think only small brands are using this tactic, you're wrong. Just ask anyone who's ever looked at a mattress on Casper. These tactics might seem out of reach and overwhelming if you're a growing brand, but don't worry. AI helps small businesses level the playing field. Let's look at some examples of how growing businesses can turn these same AI tactics into a competitive advantage without being shady or losing customer trust. Take Maya, who runs a tiny bookstore in Portland. She uses GetResponse's AI to tag readers on her email list as mystery lovers or romance addicts. Now her email says, "Hey Stephen King fan, we just restocked The Shining." The result? 40% fewer unsubscribes, 25% more sales, and happy customers who appreciate the personalization and thoughtfulness. This is how you use personalized targeting effectively without being creepy. Lisa, a local candle maker, realizes that she has only a few of a certain product left, but she has no time to get creative with a sale or promotion. Instead, she uses Jasper AI to quickly brainstorm and write an inventory alert to her customers. It reads, "Only 8 pine candles remaining from this month's batch. Reduce pricing this weekend only. Lisa includes real-time batch numbers and manufacturing dates. Her efficiency and transparent approach leads to 85% sell-through within 24 hours of each batch release. This is pricing and urgency done right and quickly with the help of AI. Sophia, a jewelry maker, uses Klaviyo's smart email automation to reconnect with customers who abandoned their shopping carts. Instead of sending generic follow-ups, she creates personalized email flows. When someone views a necklace but doesn't purchase, Klaviyo's AI helps craft tailored messages showing complementary pieces. Customers receive friendly reminders like, "The rose gold necklace you loved is waiting, and here are some matching earrings that complete the look." Klaviyo's AI determines the perfect timing, sending emails when customers are most likely to open them. This approach feels more like getting style advice from a friend than being chased by retargeting ads. No pushy tactics, no spam, just helpful, personalized suggestions. The results: 22% cart recovery rate, 35% higher average order value, and glowing feedback from customers who appreciate the thoughtful communication. Tom, a gym owner, uses Surfer SEO's AI to analyze search trends and social media patterns. He noticed a significant spike in searches for home workouts and virtual fitness classes across multiple platforms. The AI tool also showed increasing engagement with home workout content on Instagram and YouTube. Tom quickly develops a comprehensive $29 virtual class package, complete with personalized workout plans and nutrition guides. He targeted keywords like personal trainer at home and live virtual workouts that Surfer's SEO identifies as high potential, low competition terms. The timing is perfect. He launches his program before competitors flood the market. His first batch of 100 virtual memberships sells out in 3 days. The key here was using AI to spot the trend early and act decisively, while others are still wondering if virtual fitness could catch on. Those are just a few examples of how brands of all sizes can use AI marketing to grow their business. Yes, AI is influencing how people buy today, but AI itself isn't evil. It's how it's used. If you want to use AI to work smarter and ethically nudge customers to make a purchase decision, here are some things to remember. Number 1, be transparent. Tell them, our emails are powered by AI. This builds trust. Number 2, reward loyalty. Ask for permission to gather only relevant data and use AI to conveniently surprise repeat buyers with exclusive discounts. Number 3, no lies. AI lets you do more with less, so there's no reason to lie about having only 5 units in stock when you've got 100 just because you don't want to crunch the numbers at the last minute. Your customers aren't data points. Treat them like people, not prey. Here's the thing. Top brands like Crunch Fitness and Netflix don't just use AI to win customers. They combine it with something even more powerful: brand authority. You want to know the exciting part? You don't need a massive budget to build authority that drives sales. I've created the free brand authority quiz to help you with just that. In just 90 seconds, you'll get your free brand authority score, and you'll see how you compare to industry leaders and what you can do to stand out and capture your market. Click the link below to take the free 90-second assessment and receive your custom authority building roadmap. Let's grow together.